In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this herringbone knot stitch. This is kind of a unique open stitch that if you look up closely, it looks like a bunch of knots that are made into almost a mesh type of a fabric in your crochet. To make this, I am using a bulky weight yarn, the Lion brand Rewind, which is actually a very lightweight bulky yarn. Or you can use a heavy worsted weight or any weight really, depending on the project. To work the herringbone knot stitch, you're going to be working into the chain spaces of the prior row. To work the stitch, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that chain space, and pull up a loop, and then take that same loop and pull it through one more loop on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that same chain space, and pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take this first loop and you're going to pull it through those other 3 loops on your hook to complete that herringbone knot stitch. And then you're going to chain 2 and then work the next stitch into that next chain space. Okay, we're going to work a few more stitches. So yarn over, insert into the chain space, pull up a loop, take that same loop, pull through 1 loop on your hook, yarn over, insert into that same chain space, pull up a loop. Now take that same loop, this one right here, and pull it through the remaining 3 loops on your hook. Let's see here, there we go. And then chain 2, and then do the herringbone knot in the next chain space. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 1 more loop on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, take that same loop and pull through the 3 remaining loops on the hook to complete another knot. Okay, I'm going to work 2 more just to kind of make sure that you can see this again. Yarn over, insert into that chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 1 more loop, yarn over, insert into that same loop, or chain space, sorry, pull up a loop. Using that same loop, you're going to pull that through the remaining 3 loops on your hook to complete the herringbone knot. Chain 2, and in the next chain space, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull that same loop through another loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now take that same loop and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook to complete that herringbone knot. Okay, so here are the stitches worked in multiple rows that stacked up on each other, and as you can see, it's this nice open stitch work that looks like it's made of knots in your crochet work. I hope you loved this tutorial, found it interesting, and if you're interested in a couple of designs that use this pattern or this stitch combination, check the description in the video below.